Let's just say you want a PC like this one, but because of certain circumstances, this is the PC you have. But maybe, just maybe, there are some cool components out there you can upgrade to, like the ones I use in making this video. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. It doesn't look like much, but for the low price of $150, this older media server I was told it was used for had something interesting inside I was willing to test out. It's an AMD FX 8350 8-core processor, or that's the way it was marketed anyways. Some may disagree, but with 4 GHz stock speed and being unlocked, my gears started to turn. When my gears start to turn, I start to get hungry, and I try to make a sandwich with my iFixit tools. The sandwich was delicious, but all kidding aside, here's the goods from the $150 PC. 3 mechanical hard drives, all 3 TB, 16 GB of DDR3, a 64 GB SSD, a GB AM3 Plus motherboard, and FX 8350 Black Edition. Here's where things get cool for me. AMD has sent me this beautiful Mars M1 gaming computer case with aluminum brush finish on front with an awesome RGB display built in. A crazy 1200 watt 80 plus platinum RGB power supply that's fully modular and enough cords for 3 computers. An all-in-one CPU cooler with 3 beautifully lit 120mm fans that keep my PC frosty cool with large radiator. You know there's not much to this build video-wise, but let me tell you, it's easy peasy putting a professional build together with AMD's components. They're well built and well lit with just about all your RGB needs. I did run into a snafu, however, and it took a quick minute to figure out. You see, the BIOS was reporting 2.8 GHz on my 4 GHz CPU, meaning it was underclocking itself. But why would it underclock itself? Although the FX 8350 works in this motherboard, it's not fully supported. What do I mean? Well, the 8350 is 125 watt and our MOBO is 95 watt. So I actually had to overclock just to get back to the original clock speeds. I know, it's silly, but it's still interesting to me, and heck, it works. So in review, I mixed older unconventional parts for this day and age that barely had power with a 300 watt max power supply. I put them into something beautiful. Sure, it was overkill for this build, however, I did need some power for the used Titan X we restored in the last video. And now, it's your 1984 to 2012 award software BIOS setup utility. Hope you liked this video, and thank you, Gamdius. Your stuff rocks. VSync was on for some of these games to avoid screen tear. The moral of the story, sometimes you don't need the latest and greatest stuff to look and feel like you do. Links will eventually make it in the description. Y'all stay safe out there. Whew, all this running I'm doing, I think I can make another sandwich.